Depreciation is another practical difficulty in calculation of national income. Well, what is depreciation? Depreciation is a wear and tear happen to the capital asset while it is in use for the production process. I'll explain you in a greater detail. Let's say you have a capital investment or capital asset in the form of machinery. So you use machinery for production. But understand machinery has a life because over the period of time it is going into wear and tear and becoming obsolete. To compensate for this wear and tear of a capital asset, there is a provision of depreciation. So what is a provision of depreciation? In the cost of production, we add depreciation to get a final cost of the product. So what happens in case of national income, we use final cost of the product. So in national income, depreciation is also added, which is not actual production, is the cost for use of capital assets. Hence, in order to arrive at realistic national income, we need to deduct depreciation from national income. However, there is no uniform, common or standard method or rate for measurement of depreciation. Which means every producer charges depreciation on differently, or on every good there are different ways of charging depreciation. As there is no uniform, common or standard rate or method to calculate depreciation, it becomes very difficult that what part should be deducted from national income to arrive at realistic value of national income. Hence, what amount to be deducted for depreciation from the national income is very difficult to calculate. Hence, realistic picture of national income is difficult to create. Well, depreciation is basically a wear and tear of capital asset as it is used for production purpose. So this cost of depreciation is added to the final cost of product. This depreciation must be reduced from national income in order to get it a realistic picture. However, we do not have uniform, common or standard method or rate for measurement of depreciation, which makes us difficult that what amount should be deducted as a depreciation from national income to arrive at a realistic amount. Hence, one of the practical difficulties for calculation of national income is the valuation of depreciation.